idea came एक South Indian मतलब एक इडली पंजाबी सर्व करने का? How does it whole idea came up from?
देखिए मेरा ना साउथ से बहुत पुराना कनेक्शन है. जो मैंने स्कूलिंग किया वो साउथ इंडियन थे फ्रॉम चेन्नई सीक्रेट हार्ट स्कूल. जब मैं उनके साथ फिल्म की, मेरी वाइफ साउथ इंडियन है. मेरा करियर की शुरुआत तमिल फिल्म से हुई. वहीं पे मैंने हिंदी से ज़्यादा साउथ की फिल्म्स की हैं. और मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरे भाई प्रभु सर हैं, अगेन इज साउथ इंडियन. सो एक साउथ का कनेक्शन है पंजाब के साथ, वो पक्की बात है मेरी ज़िंदगी में एटलीस्ट. और फर्स्ट फिल्म एज ए प्रोड्यूसर अगेन प्रभु सर हैं साथ में. इससे ट्राईलिंगुअल तमिल तेलुगु हिंदी फिल्म है. सो नॉर्थ और साउथ का जो बॉन्डिंग है, अगर आप बेस्ट एग्जांपल दें, आई थिंक तू तक तूतिया इज बेस्ट एग्जांपल फॉर दैट.
Okay, Prabhu sir, what do you want to say about this whole combination of South and Punjabi? Yeah.
I think he said one minute. I think it works, and in this film also it worked because मैं already देख चुका हूँ picture देखा. Yeah, it works. it अच्छा है.
Okay, "Tu Tak Tutiya" is one of the popular song in Punjabi number. It's one of the popular number. Still, it's going. Means people loved it. What was your thought once the title suggested, and how does it all gonna be?
Title though, no, I've heard about it. Not like Sonu heard this song, but I heard this song like it is a famous number, but it was not in my mind also. It was totally full Sonu's idea only to get the Tu Tak Tutiya, this title and the song also. The song though we just did 3 days back. The song is a tremendous track. It was like of course, thanks to Sonu because whoever hears the song, they have to dance. It's something in that song, that beat and that lyric, and some magic is there in that song. That, and also just now we were watching the song. It was very happy.
Okay, sir. प्रभु सर के साथ means आपने you been under his direction. Now sharing space on a screen space. How does it whole experience, and what sort of learning experience from him as an actor we can say?
You know, when I worked with him as a director, I knew that he's a great actor also because, you know, initially before I became an actor, I've seen his movie, you know, I really admire his work. But when he works as a director also, he always shows you the way it should be done. He's got that timing, and he has got that, you know, he's got that nick that, you know, he understands what people like on screen, you know, the connection between an actor and the camera, I would always say is the director. So he is that connection that establishes an actor with the camera. So I've experienced as an actor when I worked with him when he was a director, but now working with him as a co-star, I could see that you know, thing in him, that the timing is perfect, and he knows you know, when to give the reaction to any action that you do. So thoroughly enjoyed as a co-actor, as a brother, as a producer. I think the whole journey has been one of the most special ones.
And was it really difficult to convince him for the movie, or is it a cakewalk?
No, not at all. I think we all floated together only, you know. The thought came, the movie happened. I think when you plan many things, nothing happens in life. I think He's the biggest producer who plans, who casted us as actors, who made this film happen. So there's no planning as of now, you know, you're all family. We sat, the idea came, the film happened, and now we are standing in front of you. So planning is only for making buildings and lots of other things you do. I think for movie, it's just a thought that makes you, you know, this thing, you know, happen in your life.
So, sir, at the moment teaser first film, I saw the first teaser frame. So it reminds me of Humse Mukabla from that. Superbly.
Really?
What sort of memories did you remind from that, and
No,
especially with the teaser? Because that steps, those are fantastic. Seriously, I'm just.
Thanks for that. But what to say, when people appreciate, of course, I'm a normal human. I'll feel happy. That's it.
What do you want to say about the term horror comedy? Means,
It's a new genre. Even I like this genre very much. I love horror films, but this though is like horror comedy genre. It's a very rare genre. Not seen many in Bollywood at least. So I think in the film it worked for us. I mean, you have to see it. We have worked hard, and the entertainment in this film is very good. It's like you will be laughing, and it's very entertaining, family entertaining. And
being a producer, was it a conscious effort to make the film to be trilingual film? Is that a conscious effort from your end, being a producer?
No. It was always destined to be shot in 3 languages because the actors that were casted are popular in all the three languages. We all have done films in Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi. And when you have a great script, you don't have to plan too many things. Entertainment has got no language. You just have to come and screen if you have a good script, and it's like magic. So even Tutak Tutak Tuthiyan is a script that demanded actors, which were popular in all their respective languages, and when they all come together under one roof, I think a great product happens.
But that the script made you to choose the film basically and produce it. Does that?
Yeah, you have to be convinced before you actually become a producer that this is one script you want to be associated as a producer, and I think I'm really glad that my first film is Tutak Tutak Tuthiyan.
And Sonam, is it really going to be difficult for you to be producer, act, and dancing with producer? So was it more seriously? Which one the difficult one for you?
Nothing was difficult. I've learned a lot. I think I haven't danced like this before ever in my films. I've done so many movies, but I think people will see a new Sonu in this movie because I was under the right guidance. I've spent many days rehearsing with Prabhu sir, and he got those steps right. So they're looking good on screen when you're dancing with the best actor in the country. So I'm sure the compliments are bound to come your way. But thoroughly enjoyed. I think it's a new avatar that I've tried with this movie, and I think I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Professor, would you like to comment on his dancing and how much you rate now him
As a
from Rowdy Rajkumar to Rajkumar to now this one? This is something really.
No, as live that. I mean, acting and dancing and all, because that's you are going to see it. But what he did as a producer was literally tremendous. Because first time I'm seeing everybody has seen him as an actor and all. What he is doing for this film, how he promotes the film, and what he did, only we know. Soon you will know when the film comes. He is promoting also in a big way. As a producer, he is giving his, like what they say, blood and sweat, they say, like that. He is doing it, and whatever he can do, he is doing it with full passion. He is doing. Even the songs you got, whatever you are hearing, Rail Gaddi, Tutak, and I Love the Way You Dance, all you only got it. He sat for night and day, and he did. All are like. When I hear the song, it was like when I don't know, or he sent the song. So how is the song? I told it's extraordinary song. I Love the Way You Dance. Then one more he sent. So how is this song? Rail Gaddi. This is also too good. Then one more song he said Tutak. This is so tremendous. So all three in this. Really? Like, see, as a producer, he has given his everything, and also I want to tell next. Of course, he will produce next films, and whoever does it, he will be the luckiest person. He will be the happiest person with him.
Okay, Sonam, will we going to see the recreation of the main song of in the movie especially? So what sort the song will be? How is it going?
We've just shot this song, and we have seen the song today only. It's looking mind blowing. It's looking very, very nice. We're very, very happy with the whole results. I think in another week, 10 days, you will see the title track coming up. But it will be something that will force you to get up, that will force you to dance and groove. It's something really, really that was required in all the clubs and the parties, and I'm sure people will groove.
Tell something about your character. It seems that you are playing a superstar as something related with Sonu only. So is that the same similarity of Sonu we're going to see on the screen also, or something different from that?
I think when you play an actor on screen, it's something different. But again, like I said, the whole track is so nicely woven in the script that you will feel for the role, you will feel for every character, and how they are nicely woven together. And I thoroughly enjoyed playing it. I think the whole journey as an actor in this movie has been great because of my co-stars, because of the script, because of the conviction we had, and I'm sure when the way we enjoyed shooting the film, people will enjoy watching it.
Professor, tell us something about your character. Is it the same Prabhudeva?
No, it's not nothing to do with Prabhudeva. It's totally a film character, and a guy who wanted to marry a modern girl, and he will be marrying to a village girl. And then how he manages, and all between me, Sonu, and Tamanna is the film, like how it goes. And one more main character is there that you will see it in the film. You see it in the film, but you can't see it in the film. Like that. That's a screenplay.
And so lastly, Shah Rukh sir gave the voice to the film to Summer Down. He's your friend, so what sort of combination you guys having, and maybe seeing the film?
You know, you know, whatever, you know, after I met him, you know, he's like my family, and whatever I've done in my life, I always discuss with him. But when I was doing this film as a producer, I wanted him to be part of in any way. You know, he was traveling, he was in Prague at the time, and I shared the thought of him being the narrator. So he thoroughly, I think it was very kind of him that he went all the way, drove all the way to the studio midnight and recorded the voice. And I think that made the promo sound so special. So I think that's what your family and friends are for. That when you, they're always a phone call away, and when you call them, I think they stand by you through the courses of your life. And I think Shah Rukh is one guy who I can vouch for that. You know, he's just always phone call away.
And one of your favorite director, Farah Khan, also is in the movie.
Yeah.
And her dialogue was dance, related with the dance. So, how do you take that to us?
I think she's brilliant in the film. You know, I think she's got the natural, you know, the sense of humor is great, and the way she talks and all. I've almost shot with her for Happy New Year for almost 1 year, and I knew that, you know, when we were shooting the scene, if Farah Khan plays Farah Khan in the film, she'll add a lot of value to it. And you know, it's a film we have on the sets. Prabhu sir is there again. He's known to be the best dancer, and when a choreographer asks the best dancer in the country that, do you know anything ABCD of dancing, I think that line itself is carries a lot of humor, and that too coming from Farah for Prabhu sir. I think that does the job.
Okay, lastly, we had one more genre in the film, which Akshay Kumar's Bhul Bhulaiya. It's a bit remind of that movie. So, any connection with that movie, or anything you just like to say about it? Do you feel that film gonna work really well in that genre? So this gonna be
Good to hear that we're comparing with that. No, it's a super hit film. First of all, thanks for that.
But like I said, you know, it's the genre. This horror comedy, yeah, Bhul Bhulaiya had something, but it's a totally different script, nothing to do with it. But like I said, this is something entertaining, which anyone who loves watching family films, anyone who loves watching horror films, anyone who loves watching comedies, thrillers, I think it's a buffet for all of them to come and taste everything.
best of
Thank you so much.
luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.